Oh, hey guys. So, I have a problem here with something. So, see this iPod right here? It's my black. Um, well, I have a problem with it. See, it doesn't turn on. See, cause it's like retarded. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, okay, I'll show you what the problem is. Okay, now see, I have the charger right here. I plugged in the computer. So, look, what's gonna happen? I'm gonna plug it in. It's gonna see that Apple thing. See, do that. See, it's just gonna do that. See. So when you guys said press the two buttons, menu and the button, tap it together. Well, I'm gonna try it right now. And then there. See, pressed it. Wait, let me do it again. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. It's like when I press menu and thing together. Do it over again. This thing pops out on my computer. It says. Wait. There. See? See, I pressed it. Device driver software was not successfully installed. Please consider your malfunction getting default. No, fail. Like, what can I do if my device did not install properly? Okay, let's read it again. I don't know, I just did it. See, I pressed in, I pressed that. It's not working, it's making these things on my computer. So yeah, what else it does too? I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back and put it back in. See, if I wait a while, it's gonna turn on. It's gonna turn on back. It's gonna turn on, but it's gonna say music and stuff, and then turn back off. So yeah. I don't care. It's just gonna turn back on. You see, this thing's gonna turn up all white, and it's gonna go and save games and stuff. Like what do you see in menu? So yeah, it does that. And what else I have too? I have my phone, Sony Ericsson. It's like the Sony and Ericsson. And it's a Xperia. Yeah, and this one, this is what it all just does. You see? You turn it on, it does this. Turn it on, it does this. See, it's gonna come up. It just says Sony Ericsson. Then it's gonna go back to. It's gonna say something else. Come on. And it's gonna say Android. and it's gonna restart spelling extra with Android. See, it doesn't even turn on. So yeah, if you can fix that problem. Wait, let me try one more thing for my Sony. I have the charger right here. I have the charger right here, so I'm gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I should be help with my Sony phone. So here we go. Upload this in the back. Seriously, I got like everything going on this stupid ass phone. Yeah, nothing's working. So if you guys